Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to work raster data as well as how to resample raster data and change its cell size. In order to know what is the current cell size of our data, you can go to the properties, and from here we can see that its cell size is 83 meters. We are going to just change the cell size to 30 meters, and in order to do this, and also I'm going to show you by measuring a pixel its cell size. This is a pixel that we have here. If you want to measure its cell size, its length and so width, you can use measure here. Okay, as you can see on the cell, it's saying that it's around 90 meters. Now I'm gonna change my cell size. In order to do this, we go to search. From search, we look for resample, data management, and from resample we have different parts that we need to fill. For the first time, the data that we want to change its cell size and the output cell size. You can define here that your output cell size would be, let's say, the same as the data that you have before. For example, you have a data and its cell size is 30 meters, and here you can define that one, or you can define it manually. For example, 30 by 30. Okay. And also here in environment we have different options. For example, raster analysis is related to cell size, and here again we can say that our cell size would be the same as the previous or current data that we have, and its cell size is different from our data. And so we can do it here, and it's easy. In order to go and change the cell size of our data, we can click on OK. It's gonna take whiles in order to change its cell size. Okay. Now we can check our conversion was successful or not. We can go to the properties. From properties we can check the cell size, and it's 30 by 30 meters. Okay, this is very important when you want to change your, for example, vector data to raster. For this we can also do this. I have a polygon and I'm gonna convert it to raster. Again, the polygon that I have here, and you can define the fields that you want to change based on that. The output and the cell assignment will be the center. Again, you can change the cell size here. I'm gonna put 30 meters and click on OK. Again, it's gonna take whiles in order to do this. Okay, as you can see, we have raster data with the cell size of 30 by 30 meters. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and hopes this video will be useful for your purposes.